I created this Stillness Salve to be a moment of calm in the middle of a busy day, and now I reach for it constantly. It's simple to make, smells amazing, and helps me feel more grounded whenever I need it. Hey, I'm Katie from Simply Earth, and you are going to love this recipe. It calms your mind, moisturizes your skin, and helps with muscle tension. A lot of store-bought balms rely on synthetic fragrances and ingredients that aren't a great fit for sensitive skin. This one, it's all natural, totally DIY, and made with ingredients I trust. Here's how to make it. Start with 1 tablespoon of beeswax, 1/4 cup of coconut oil. This combo moisturizes and creates a protective layer over your skin. Melt them together in a double boiler or using 30-second intervals in the microwave. Add 7 drops of whole wood essential oil, 5 drops of eucalyptus, and 5 drops of Rose Geranium Essential Oil. These oils are calming, skin soothing, and help support mental clarity. Stir to combine. Want to customize? Feel free to swap these essential oils out for one of your favorites. And if you want to add more essential oils, you can. This is a 1% dilution rate, which makes this recipe very gentle. But if you want to up it up to a 3% or 5% dilution rate, you can go for it. Feel free to experiment. Once the base is ready, carefully pour the mixture into a 2-ounce container. Let it cool to room temperature, and just like that, you've got your own natural stillness salve. To use, simply rub a small amount onto your chest, shoulders, or wrists for soothing relief in soft, hydrated skin. It's perfect during cold weather or before bed. Pretty cool, right? And if you want to make your own stillness salve yourself, it's super easy, especially with this Simply Earth recipe box. It comes with everything you need to whip up this natural, non-toxic skincare product at home. And when you subscribe, you get a free big bonus box to kickstart your DIY journey. You can find this recipe and more at simplyearth.com. I'll have everything linked below. Remember, making is healing. It's amazing how something so simple can work so well. This salve is perfect for soothing dry skin and calming tension. If it worked for me, it'll work for you. Try it yourself and let me know how it goes. Share your creation with hashtag #IMadeThis and tag from Simply Earth. You could win a $100 gift card and get featured. And if you want more easy, fun, toxin-free DIYs, subscribe to the Simply Earth recipe box. See you in the next video.